How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2001 Pleasureway Excel MP with 47,606 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2001 Pleasureway Excel MP. Got about 71 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. Table mount in the rear, one up front as well. 4 seats up front, total of 6 belts in this unit. 4 up front, 2 on the rear sofa. Hard surface flooring in the main part, makes it easier to keep clean. We have carpet up front. Fantastic fan in the center here, acts like an attic fan at night, brings the cool outside air in. That runs on the coach battery system. To use the air conditioner, you have to plug this in or run the onboard generator. Screen window on the lower here on the left side. Got a nice retro ashtray there, cup holder, nice little spot there to tuck cell phone, magazine, things like that, book that you might be reading while you're out and about. Microwave here, run on the shore power plug-in or the generator. I'm going to see the bathroom here in just a moment. The shower curtain will come around on that track. Shelf up here is great for tucking your sunscreen, sunglasses, things like that you want to grab as you head out the door. Levels test here is notoriously finicky, so do not consider these gospel. Water pump on off will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Generator start stop. This is an Onan 2800. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. 446 hours on that. Water heater on off. This burns propane. That will light itself. This will control the propane furnace. Easy to access the coach. Windows that open here and here do not have screens. You can pull this curtain around the track to provide privacy for the front windows while you are parked. This is for the drain in the bathroom. Nice big mirror on the left door. Medicine cabinet inside. Pull the curtain around you, help contain the water. Easy to access the stool. The basin for the shower is stored right here. I'm going to show you that in pictures, but that's going to sit on the floor and connect to the drain there. Table leg, tabletop, spot here to hang your jackets. The bathroom doors have sliders to block off the bathroom, and the shower basin fits on the floor. Overhead storage in the kitchen. Stainless backsplash, 2-burner propane cooktop. Single basin sink, little spice rack, AC power, so you can plug in coffee pot, air fryer, things like that. We have a 3-way fridge freezer. Freezer's up top. Instructions in the bottom of the box. It's our water pump and a winterization kit. Makes winterizing the RV easier. Little blemish there. Couple little pricks on the upholstery in the back. Power sofa. Run this forward with one switch, so it's going to come forward, then run it down with the other. Emergency exit on this side. Screen window over here. Got our electrical panel down here along the floor, a couple furnace ducts beneath the sofa. Again, this is going to be your sleeping area. And drop some pictures now so you can see what this looks like made up and get some measurements. The power sofa bed measures approximately 52 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 80 inches east-west or side to side from wall to wall. The front seats swivel and the rear seats jackknife to make beds that are great for kids measuring approximately 66 inches north-south and 21 inches east-west. I got an invitation to a wedding that said black tie only. But when I got there, everyone else was wearing tuxedos. TV here is on a swivel mount, has a built-in DVD player. You can swivel that out to face the front. Gonna get you dual zones here in this camper van. These speakers play the front head unit. These speakers play whatever the driver and passenger are listening to. Air conditioner here in the rear runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator. You'll operate that with the knobs on the unit itself. A little storage rail up here. Tuck a few things that you like to grab often. Control the rear speakers with this. Our guys added this little USB charging station here. Great spot to sit your phone or your tablet up here and charge that. Nice pleasureway here. Not as common of a floor plan. You will more commonly see the Excel TS or TD version here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Nice new shiny paint job on the outside. Got 6 seat belts, 4 chairs up front. Makes that great for taking others with you. You can talk a lot better if they're sitting up front with you. Want to mention there's a little bit of puckering on this little piece of trim there on the kitchen area. Really nice van inside and out, though. I'm going to call this one an 8.5 out of 10. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, and cassette. Clean upholstery, not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. So it's tough to say for certain. I'm going to call this a non-smoker, even though we do have this ashtray, this one, and this one. So there's enough of them in here to keep Don Draper himself happy. We've also got this stash spot here in this door. Always convenient to have as much storage space as you can here in these Class B motorhomes. We have a new backup camera here from RVS that can be used while you're driving. So this is a reflective screen. It's always nice to be able to use this while you're driving so you can get a much better view of people behind you and things while you're backing up as well. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2001 Pleasureway. This camper van measures 19.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 4721 date codes. This camper van is built on a Dodge Ram 3500 van chassis with a 5.9 liter V8 engine with 47,606 miles. New paint job on the exterior, updated for a more modern and sleek look. We left the decals as far as Pleasureway and things like that off. A lot of people like the stealth of that these days, not having a lot of branding on their camper van. Easy to access the entry here. Open both doors. Back of the refrigerator. 2 AC plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. This is the back of the water heater. This is where you'll fill the onboard fresh water tank. Coach battery. This is the generator exhaust, vehicle exhaust. New backup camera from RVS installed by us. You can have that on while you're driving. Tow package, great for your bike rack. Other little goodies you want to take along with you, like a little stowaway trunk, things like that. Storage beneath the sofa in the rear. Awning crank and rafter. Some other poles there. Coming around now to the driver's side. Propane tank, this is mounted to the unit, so you'll have to drive somewhere to have this filled. You'll turn it on and off with the valve here. This is where it will be filled. Gauge to tell how much is in there. Back of the furnace. Shore power connection, this is a 30 amp shore power. City water connection. Sewer hose storage. Again, nice shiny new paint job. Outside shower, keep the mess outside of the camper. Whether you're going to the beach, got sand on your feet, going on a hike, got mud, things like that. Nice big storage compartment. Sewer drains down here. We have our black on this side and our gray. You can do the black first, then the gray. Everything will come out right here. Really nice van with a sleek new paint job. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.